Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2023 Harris 250 Solstice. We'll start up front with your seating. You have port and starboard loungers, in-floor storage. You have cup holders everywhere you look. You also have your USB phone chargers on every cup holder location. Off to the port side, you're going to have a nice big entry door. This boat has the 2 helm chairs. It also has a unique feature, a raised helm here on the captain's chair. On the dash, you're going to have your 2 screens, Simrad GPS depth finders, JL audio, your tilt steering, push button switches on a nice panel. This boat's come with the digital throttle and shift. Looking aft of this, you have the SL lounger. This lounger moves fore and aft with just a simple pull of a switch. Comes all the way back, so you have plenty of space. You also have storage underneath every seat. This boat comes with a 12-foot bimini as well up top. Looking aft, you're going to see you have fender storage here, your tow port here, and this boat's going to come with a 250 Mercury outboard. It also has a swim seat that folds down so you can sit in the water without having to get in the water. That's it for this boat. If you want to come by and see it, Lake Norman MarineMax, stop by and see us. Thank you.